Okay, so another video from Top Speed Pro 1 Performance. This is our 650i exhaust. So just a quick installation note. When installing this exhaust, it's very important to measure properly where the flare is going to be on your weld. So what you want to do is position the exhaust first, find out where to mark, and you want to mark on this flare versus on the end of the pipe. You want to make sure you give yourself that almost 2 inches of clearance on the flare. So that's where you want to cut. And before you cut, make sure you're marking the right spot. You don't want to cut it too short, or you're going to have a problem with the actuator lining up and the tips lining up. The tips should also be maybe a ½ inch at the most past the bumper. So just be sure that you measure twice, cut once on the 650i exhaust.